Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all fine and doing well. If you love crochet and beautiful home decoration, today's video is full of inspiration. We are exploring some of the most elegant, creative and trending crochet curtain design ideas that can instantly transform any space. Whether you have decorating a cozy bedroom, a bright kitchen, a relaxing living room, or even a charming balcony, crochet curtain bring warmth, texture, and handmade beauty that never goes out of style. So grab your favorite yarn, sit back, let's discover these amazing crochet curtain ideas together. Let's begin with timeless lace crochet curtain. Their delicate open work pattern allow natural sunlight to enter while maintaining privacy. These elegant designs create a soft, airy atmosphere and suit both modern and traditional homes. Granny square curtains remain one of the most beautiful, biggest crochet trend. Colorful square joined together create a cheerful, artistic look that perfect for craft rooms, children bedrooms, or boho-inspired interior. Crochet flower never goes out of fashion. Curtain featuring roses, daisies, tulip, or sunflower motifs add a fresh garden-inspired touch that brightens every room throughout the year. Nature-inspired leaf pattern create a peaceful and elegant atmosphere. These curtains look especially beautiful in living rooms or spaces filled with indoor plants. Simple white crochet curtains often a clean and luxurious appearance. Their neutral tone colors blend perfectly with almost any furniture style and create a bright, spacious feeling. Short crochet cafe curtains are practical and stylish for kitchen windows. They provide privacy while allowing plenty of natural light to brighten up your cooking space. Vintage inspired pattern featuring pineapple shells and classic lace shell stitch. If you enjoy modern crochet project, try ombre curtain that gradually blend from one shade to another. Hello.